Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the sheet. Ensure the column you will search is the leftmost column of the lookup table and name that range. Once named, select the cell where you want the result and type equals VLOOKUP. Make sure your lookup value is exactly matched in type and formatting because numbers is strict about text versus numbers. Then reference the lookup value cell, a comma, and the named table range. This gets the formula moving toward the second argument. Now you define what to return. After the table range, type a comma and the column index number. Remember, numbers uses one-based indexing, so one returns the key column to the next column and so on. Next, add another comma and choose the match mode. False or 0 for exact matches, true or 1 for approximate ranges. Once done, close the parentheses and press return. If the formula errors, check types and the index number. Those are the usual culprits. Finish by filling the formula down the column or using drag autofill so each lookup references its row's key. If you expect missing values, wrap VLOOKUP with IFER to return a friendly message instead of an error. Make sure to validate common issues, remove extra spaces, convert numbers stored as text, and verify the column index isn't out of range. If results are wrong, recheck the named range and exact match flag. Those two settings resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.